Hi guys, I have a great news about digital products in school. Before getting into the topic, I would like to ask you a small question. Are you comfortable using multiple softwares for multiple jobs or just one for everything? If you want to make your work easy, I'm sure you would like to listen to what I'm going to share with you now. As we all know, there are multiple individual softwares in the market for schools like bulk SMS, inventory management, fees, attendance, student academics, school ERP, etc. etc. It's so hard to manage so many softwares, and you also need to cross-reference the report generated by each software and allocate finances and resources to softwares that don't talk to each other. It makes management so harder and complex. Aren't softwares made to make our life easy? But don't worry, I have a perfect solution. Presenting Student Unique Card app. One app to rule all. It has every imaginable feature you can think of. If you are going to use Student Unique Card app, you're going to get all the softwares in just one single click, that too at an unbelievable cost. You'll see that Student Unique Card app is just like a Swiss Army knife. With one single click, you can access more than 25 features where each feature itself is an entire software. What's more great is that this great software is available in both web and mobile versions. Now, I would like to share my personal favorite features that I like. To start with, I'll tell you how easy it is to use the SMS feature to send messages. To use the SMS feature, just log into the app with your user ID and password, click the SMS icon, then select whom you want to select. You can select either individual students or the entire class. Click send and you're done. It's as easy as that. Since the app uses transactional routes used by banks, each SMS will be delivered to parents within few seconds. This is just one of the many options in the SMS feature. You also have the option to send SMS to individual students, whole class or entire school including staff. Isn't it cool? And all that with few clicks. Another important thing that I really like in this application is its attendance feature. Let me tell you how it works. Log into the app, click on attendance, select the roll number of absent students, click on SMS button. That's it. The SMS confirmation will be sent to parents' mobile immediately. And just like that, the created attendance report can be viewed at any time. The next feature is one of the most hardest work a teacher does apart from teaching, that is marks. Teachers spend a whole lot of time in entering data and creating reports for every exam a student attends. With this feature, in just few clicks, they can create mark sheets and update them. Let's check out this great feature. Create your own exam names, create your own subject names, fill the maximum marks for each subject depending on the type of the exam. Now you can enter the marks of an individual student, and the rest of the work is done by the application itself. The detailed progress report is created through total percentages, created reports, etc. There is another great feature, that is analytics, which is linked to this, which helps us in assessment of academic performance of a student, student-wise, class-wise and subject-wise. So you can see what a Student Unique Card app does, how fast, easy and feature-rich it is. Now, the most important thing, which is very important to all the schools, is fee management. Now, let me walk through the steps to show you how easy it is to use. Create your own fee structure, generate the fee receipts, check the due amounts, send the fee due SMS to the parents. And also, this feature will avoid you all the paperwork, saves your time, energies, and most importantly, it is very easy to access whenever you have queries about fees from parents. Sometimes, at emergency situations, we might need to send across the message regarding the students to parents. Some parents, due to work-related stuff, might ignore the SMS we send. At that time, this voice call feature is going to come in handy. So all we need to do is record the voice message and send it across through the Student Unique Card app. Parents are going to receive it as a voice call with the concerned school name. And that's it. Our message is conveyed to the parents. And let me tell you something. There's absolutely no charge for this voice call which we do through the Student Unique Card app. These are just the few features that I've shared with you along with the other 25 features that are available on the Student Unique Card app. What you want me to list out? Just have a look. Have a look at the list of the features that are available and you will realize that this app is making our work life so easy. So, now you know about this app, right? Let me tell you something. This company is providing this software for free with just one-time registration per school per year. How cool is that, right? And let me tell you something else. There's no limit on the number of students you can have, and it's the same registration fee even if you have 100 or 10,000 students. Hurry up! So just register and download the Student Unique Card app, which makes your work and life easy.